Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. We are doing a triumph of surgery, and so far we have learned that Mr. Harriet called Mrs. Pumphrey to come and collect her dog. Now he is perfectly all right. He needs collections. He needed to go home. And within minutes, Mrs. Pumphrey came in her car. The car was very long, 30 feet long and shining, black car. So she came in the surgery. Now here, Mr. Harriet walked through the garden. As Mrs. Pumphrey was about to come out, Mr. Harriet said, no, you stay inside. Please stay inside, I'll bring your dog. And she kept waiting inside the car. So Mr. Harriet went inside and through the garden to fetch Tricky, as his mistress or owner was waiting outside in the car. It was playing and running about with the pack. When Mr. Harriet went into the garden, he saw Tricky running around playing with other dogs. It had developed strong muscles. Totally it was different. It was changed. It had developed strong muscles and its chest was brushing against the ground while running. It was very active. It became very active, you can say. And it was running around with the other dogs, full of life. So Mr. Harriet carried him back. Mr. Harriet, at last, he caught the Tricky and carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. He brought the dog in front. He was holding the dog in his arms. The chaffier means the driver. The chaffier was still holding the door of the car. The driver was holding the door of the car open. And when Tricky saw his mistress, when the dog saw his mistress inside the car, mistress means the owner. When Tricky saw his owner, he took off from Harriet's arm. He took off, means he jumped from Harriet's arm and sailed in the air into the owner's, Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. Lap means here, the book. So, Mrs. Pumphrey could not believe her eyes. She was so much surprised. She began to think, is this my dog? It has changed a lot. So, she gave a cry of surprise. Oh, Mr. Harriet, I can't believe my eyes. Is this my dog? Tricky? I can't believe. Oh, the dog started licking her face. She gave a cry. Oh, Mr. Harriet, I can't believe my eyes. And the dog started licking her eyes, jumping around into her lap. And not only that, it started barking with joy. During the excitement, Harriet helped the driver to bring all the stuff outside. And none of those things were used. The bedding, the cushion, the toys and the coats, nothing, bowls, rubber rings, nothing was used. So, Harriet helped the driver to bring out all the things of which none had been used. Nothing. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey took Tricky. Now the Tricky will miss the gang. Again, after some time, it will grow fat. Again, it will come. Just see, because she will feed him again. Too much feeding. The same thing will happen again. It will repeat. So now, as the car moved away, she said, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window and said, "How can I thank you, Mr. Harriet? How can I thank you? I can't believe. I'm so much happy. I'm so much glad and how can I thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. The last sentence he said, this is a triumph, victory. This is a triumph of surgery, and there were tears in her eyes, the tears of joy. She was very, very much happy to see her dog alive, and that too with good muscles, strong muscles. It was running around, very, very active. Just see, there was a great change. So there were tears of joy in her eyes while she was driving, while the car was moving out. Mr. Harriet could see tears in her eyes. So that's the end of the story. Do you think that the Tricky will come to the surgery again? Yes, definitely. I also think positively that again after a month or two, after a few months, the Tricky will again come to the surgery, because once the Tricky goes home, and naturally Mrs. Pumphrey will feed him all the time to build up his strength and this and that. She will keep him feeding, since no exercise in the house, there were no other dogs to play around, so naturally the dog will grow fat, and again Mrs. Pumphrey will call Harriet, and Harriet finally again had to advise her that he should be hospitalized. Again Mrs. Pumphrey has to send Tricky to the hospital again. I think so. So the same thing will repeat again. So that's all for today. So in our next class we'll talk about a thief's story, a new lesson in supplementary reader, a thief's story about Anil and his worker or the helper. We'll talk about that. A very nice story about a young boy and a writer. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe and keep on watching the online portal all the time so that you'll not miss anything. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.